Assalamu alaikum kids. I hope you are doing well. I am back with some new riddles with interesting answers. Where do bees goes after they are married? You have 10 seconds for the reply. And the answer is honeymoon. Our today's second riddle is what has legs but can't walk? And the answer is tables and chairs. That's all for today, Riddle Masters. If you like our channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and recommend to your friends. Till next time, Allah Hafiz.